So I'm here at 128 Cholula. I wanted to show you just 4 houses on this cul-de-sac. This is close to the Super Walmart and the Target and the Aldi. It's literally that way. You go where that red truck is right there, take a left, follow it out to Blue Angel, and then a left, and you're right there in between both. The house has gutters on it all the way around. This house was built in 2006, so every window has hurricane protection. So that's what those little white pegs are. They're the metal framed ones. So everything is just kept up on this house. All brick all the way around. Nice storm door. So I love a good storm door. So walking in, you have the dining room area and a vaulted ceiling in here. The carpet is in pretty good shape. You know, that's one thing that you could do later. They do have the vinyl plank just coming in off the front door. They have that in the kitchen. But I will show you that here in just a second. Great windows looking out front. Walk into this hallway. Right, a nice linen closet. First bedroom. This faces out the front. Everything's painted really nice and neutral. Good size closet. There are a couple little spots in the carpet that, you know, it's kind of needs to be stretched, but still, it's nice. It smells good in here. Tile here in the bathroom floor, or a vanity. Newer toilet. Just a tub shower insert. Ceiling probably did have a little repair there at one point. HVAC closet right off the bathroom. So they have just had this put in by Pkwy in 2022, which the serial number, they don't have the date, so it's always built into the serial number. Being in the South, we have this little pull out that we do, and every couple of months you do warm water and a cup of bleach, or they'll say warm water and vinegar, and it flushes that line out. Sometimes a sludge builds up in that and it could come back into the house, so it's good to keep that cleaned out. And then I guess it used to have gas in there. Here is the second bedroom. They have set up as an office. This faces the backyard. So closet is not as large, but they have added some shelving up top. Here's the laundry room. So full-size washer and dryer, some storage up top. And then I like the fact that it has this extra, you know, space behind it. So it's not just washer and dryer, and sometimes you'll see walls that literally are this and you don't have that extra. So there's a good amount of storage in here as well. There's a peek at the kitchen. We'll do that in a second. Wanted to come out here to the garage really quick. Nice size garage. Water heater is a 2021. January 2021. Here are your metal hurricane covers for your windows and doors. This door has a feature too of this pole here. Fits into these little tracks here and goes all the way up and bolts into there. And so it's just an extra brace during a hurricane. But good size. This is not a pull down, so that there's no attic, you know, obviously there's probably not any flooring up there. Maybe there is, but it'd be easy to do that. And then also you would have to do a pull down stair there. Something that could be added. So this is a galley style kitchen. On the right, you have your pantry. They did all new cabinets, new appliances. So nice size, French style. Love the darker wood with the flooring, and these are soft close. They have protected from anything hitting, so not to damage, but nice size cabinets. And I like the fact that they took them all the way up to the ceiling. Beautiful granite too. They did a nice choice of that. All right, and then eat-in kitchen in here. So I mean, this table is a little oversized, but very, very nice. Just because it goes into the walkway there. But anyways, living space here. Plenty of room in this space. All right, we'll walk into the master really quick. Very nice size master. They have a lot of furniture in here. Good size closet. Very well organized. Okay, and then double vanity. They did a different vinyl plank in here. Storage. And a little bit larger of a tub, but it's a tub shower insert in here too. All right, let's go check out the backyard. All right, this is what I love out here. Nice screened-in porch. It looks fairly new too. Very white. The concrete still looks like it's you know, brand new as well. So those are the apartments right there. At least they are new. It's the only thing that they had said might be a little downfall, but it's not bad. And once these trees grow up that they've planted on the other side, you know, or even planting some trees in this back corner, I guarantee you wouldn't be able to see that. So the yard is long, a little bit of a slope. New fence on this side. They have landscaped this really, really nice as well. So there's still plenty of stuff that you can do out here. And then maybe this could be his little raised beds. There is a retention pond that way, so nobody's going to be right there directly behind. This nice big shed, which I cannot open it. It's locked. Little gardening area. I love the little pebble stones. I have water on this side. Good size gate. Just has some great space. The roof is a 2021. There's just nothing you have to do here. Nothing at all. And then there's hurricane shutters on the doors. That's a huge credit as well. Okay. Go back inside really quick. So again, master, nice size kitchen, laundry across the way, nice big garage. Really nice living space here. And then 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and linen closet. All right. Let me know what you think.